Hey, this is Branden here with Extreme Networks. We're rebuilding my lab. We've begun the process of spinning up our VMs. I'm going to do a little VMware housekeeping. Just so you guys are aware, we need to make sure that when we spin these up, to go ahead and configure auto start so that they will come back on in case my host um, fails on me for some reason. And this is important in a POC environment, right? Because if the customer's host goes down for whatever reason while they're in the middle of the POC and our stuff doesn't come back up, that's gonna be a problem. So if you just right click on these tabs and select auto start order, you'll be able to see these this auto start column. And you'll notice that the new VMs I've spun up are unset for auto start. I just need to right click on these and on auto start click increase priority, and this will turn on auto start for them. So I'll just go ahead and do that for all these guys. Let's start. Well, something happened there, didn't it? Okay, yeah, I'm not worried about my exhaust VM right now. If I go into networking, you'll notice I've got some additional port groups created. I got my VM network. Some of the things that are important in here when we're playing around with analytics and our wireless controllers. If we go in here and edit settings, we need to make sure that we have all VLANs tagged in case we want to play with any VLAN configurations. We also need to come back here into our virtual switches, and we need to make sure that we have promiscuous mode enabled or accept. It will be reject by default, so make sure we go ahead and set that to accept. Okay, and that should be it as far as housekeeping for a fresh hypervisor in VMware. Obviously, you'll need to get your hands on a eval license for VMware when you load that in there. So, and I'm going to go ahead and start the deployment process for my last VM. And I'll just pick up with a new video for the wireless controller. Thanks.